Beautiful health, which is what Una Bella Salute means in Italian, can be so many things to so many different people. But a good meal made with fresh and pure ingredients is great groundwork for beautiful health. Two such ingredients are what owner Cassandra Brown provides at Una Bella Salute in Berlin, Maryland.
They're going to find the freshest olive oils that can be found in this area. They're also going to find aged balsamic vinegar, which is sourced from Modena, Italy.
Healthy choices don't need to sacrifice flavor or creativity in the kitchen when you stock up on products from Una Bella Salute.
The olive oils and vinegars both are heart healthy, especially the olive oils because they are high in omega-3s. They're also high in polyphenols, which helps with inflammation. They are good for weight loss, cholesterol control, and also for just overall health.
Unlike in grocery stores, the olive oils and vinegars at Una Bella Salute are cold pressed, which helps maintain all those healthy ingredients that are good for our bodies.
Because they're pure, they're unfiltered and unrefined. They are within 5 to 12 hours of picking the fruit. They actually cold press it and ship it to our distributor, which is in Oakland, California.
Cassandra especially knows what makes Berlin so special. She's proud to call Berlin her home, and she has her whole life.
Berlin is special because of the warmth that you get when you come into town. Most people greet you with a smile and a wave. Has become a part of the tourist attraction, although I don't feel it's because of the tourists, but we do get a lot of people because of word of mouth. People are starting to come. Just like the couple, the ladies that were here a while ago, they said they came in because they were from New York and they were staying over in Ocean City, and someone told them, you've got to come to Una Bella. And then the product, people come back year after year. Some of them only come when they come on vacation. And when they come on vacation, we've heard it so many times that this is a destination.
That product, which is best, samples. Now, of course, one of my favorite features when you come into Una Bella Salute is not only how friendly you guys are when you walk through the door, but also the fact that you get to sample a lot of the stuff in the store, especially when it comes to things like olive oil or vinegar. You're not quite sure how the flavor is going to play until you give it a try. Mm-hmm. So what are the sorts of things that people can get their hands on, get to taste when they come here?
Pretty much anything in the store that's edible.
Nice.
We do let you sample because that tells the story.
Yeah, that makes it really fun. And I think, I know I myself, especially when we kind of get into those changing seasons, you start to get in that dinner cooking rut. Mm-hmm. And I think walking into a place like this where you get to see all these different flavors combined in ways that you never thought of or never imagined, mm-hmm. you get to get that culinary creativity back up and running.
Exactly. Who would think of putting chocolate in hamburger?
Not me, that's for sure.
And we do. We have a chocolate balsamic vinegar that works really well with beef, and it also works in your in drinks. Like we have here some tea. This is raspberry tea, and we just put this is regular tea, and we put the raspberry vinegar in it to flavor it. One of my favorites, not only the raspberry, I also use the peach this time of year with the peach tea.
That sounds amazing. So do you mind if we sample and try a little bit of what you have here?
Go right ahead. All right. You want to start with the peach tea? With the raspberry tea?
Yeah, this one sounds very exciting. And then you don't necessarily get some of the the calories from sweeteners that you might add.
Exactly. And it is natural or the artificial flavoring, which is something that is not good for us, even though people use it, the artificial flavoring. So this is a natural flavor.
And it's amazing. I wasn't expecting the raspberry flavor to be that strong.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
As not only a resident of Berlin, but an active member in various organizations, including the Arts and Entertainment Board of Directors, Cassandra believes Una Bella Salute makes the perfect finish line for the Berlin bathtub races.